Think you need to spend big to upgrade your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Think again. Today, I'm sharing 15 budget-friendly Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra accessories that boost protection, charging, and daily convenience without hurting your wallet. On number 15 is DEERLAMN Magnetic Case for S26 Ultra. The DEERLAMN Strong Magnetic Case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is designed to offer reliable, everyday protection with military-grade drop resistance and built-in magnets for secure attachment to MagSafe-style mounts, wrapped in a translucent matte purple finish that balances style with grip. Its shockproof layers and raised edges feel solid in hand, install easily, and safeguard the 6.9-inch display and camera array during daily use, though bulk is slightly more than ultra-slim cases. In real-world scenarios, it withstands minor drops and bumps well and holds up competitively against similar protective magnetic cases, though premium brands like Spiegen's rugged lines may offer more refined materials or accessory ecosystems at higher prices. Overall, it delivers strong protection and magnetic compatibility at a fair price, making it a good choice for users who want durable defense and secure mount-ready convenience without spending top-tier brand money. Next in the list is FNTCASE for S26 Ultra Case. Clear the FNTCASE. Clear magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is designed to showcase your phone's design while offering everyday protection, featuring built-in magnetic rings for secure MagSafe-style accessory alignment and a slim anti-yellowing transparent build that resists discoloration over time. Its included screen protector adds extra defense without sacrificing touch sensitivity, and the case snaps on easily while maintaining access to buttons and ports, though it's not as rugged as heavier-duty options. In real-life use, it protects well against everyday bumps and scratches and performs comparably to other clear magnetic cases, though premium brands like Spigen or Rinky may offer slightly better drop resistance or more refined finishes. Overall, it delivers good value for money with strong clarity and magnetic convenience, making it a solid choice for users who want protection without hiding their phone's look. And I'd recommend it for everyday users, rather than those seeking military-grade ruggedness. Next in the list is TORRAS O-Stand Q3 Air 4 S26 Ultra Case. The TORRAS O-Stand Q3 Air case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a rugged protective cover with built-in 360-degree magnetic stand and MagSafe compatibility, combining military-grade drop testing with an airbag cushion design to defend your 6.9-inch device from shocks and drops. Its sturdy build and integrated stand make it easy to use for hands-free viewing, and the snug fit keeps buttons responsive while the textured back improves grip, though it adds noticeable bulk compared with slim, minimalist cases. In real-life scenarios, it handles everyday bumps and occasional drops confidently, and outperforms many basic clear or soft cases, though competitors like Spiegen's rugged lines may feel slightly more refined in material quality and bezel design. Overall, it delivers strong protection, versatile stand functionality, and good value for money, making it a great choice for heavy users, commuters, and anyone who wants both defense and convenience. And I'd recommend it to those who prioritize ruggedness and usability over ultra-slim style. Next in the list is Hoerrye for S26 Ultra Camera Lens Protector. The Hoerrye Camera Lens Protector for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is designed to safeguard your phone's sensitive camera array with top-grade 9H+ tempered glass that claims up to 12 feet military-grade impact resistance while remaining ultra-thin and virtually invisible. Its case-friendly fit makes installation easy without lifting or scratching the lenses, and it maintains sharp photo clarity without noticeable glare or distortion in everyday use. Compared with competitor lens protectors that can feel bulkier or cause slight image softening, this one strikes a good balance of protection and optical performance. though premium brands like Whitestone may offer even smoother edge finishes at higher prices. Overall, it provides excellent value for money for anyone who wants reliable lens protection without compromising camera quality. And I'd recommend it to everyday photographers and Galaxy S26 Ultra users who frequently handle their phone without a robust case. Next in the list is JETech Screen Protector for S26 Ultra. The JETech Screen Protector for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with Camera Lens Protector is designed to guard both the display and camera from scratches and minor impacts, featuring 9H tempered glass, HD clarity, fingerprint ID compatibility, and an easy installation tool that helps achieve proper alignment with minimal bubbles. In everyday use, it maintains smooth touch sensitivity and clear visuals while supporting ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking, and the included lens protectors add practical value compared to standard screen-only options. Compared with premium competitors like Spiegel's tempered glass protectors, JETech may not offer the same edge-to-edge precision or reinforced durability, but it delivers dependable protection at a more budget-friendly price. Overall, it's a solid value choice for users seeking affordable, straightforward protection with a backup pack included, and I would recommend it to everyday S26 Ultra owners who want reliable coverage without paying premium brand pricing. Next in the list is Vilive Superfast Charger Type-C. The Vilive Superfast Charger Type-C 25-watt wall charger with 10 feet long USB-C cables is designed to rapidly charge compatible phones like the Samsung Galaxy S25/S24 series while giving you plenty of reach for comfortable use. Its key features include a compact 25-watt adapter, extra long, durable cables, and simple plug-and-play functionality that delivers steady, fast charging in everyday life and outperforms basic low-wattage chargers. Compared with a stock Samsung 25-watt charger, this set adds value with 2 units and longer cables at a lower price, though the official charger may offer slightly more refined power delivery and brand assurance. Overall, solid build quality, ease of use, and excellent value for money make this a good pick for most Android users who want reliable, fast charging without premium brand pricing. And I'd recommend it to everyday smartphone owners. Next in the list is ILOUYU Wireless Charger. The ILOUYU Wireless Charger 2-pack with 6-foot cables is designed to deliver up to 15-watt magnetic fast wireless charging for compatible Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones, featuring strong magnet technology that helps keep your device aligned and reduces the fuss of positioning on the pad. Key features include its long cables, dual pad setup for multiple locations, solid build quality with a non-slip surface, and true plug-and-play ease that makes it intuitive to use in everyday scenarios where you just set your phone down and it starts charging. In real life, it works reliably for overnight or desk charging and offers good value compared to similar budget magnetic wireless chargers, though premium alternatives like Samsung's official MagSafe-compatible pads may offer tighter integration or slightly faster heat management. Overall, its performance, convenience, and dual-pack value make it a sound choice for users who want simple, versatile wireless charging at a reasonable price. And I'd recommend it to anyone who prefers cable-free charging without spending extra on high-end branded chargers. Next up is UGREEN USB-C to USB-C cable. The UGREEN USB-C to USB-C cable 100 watts 2-pack is built to handle high-speed charging and data transfer across a wide range of devices, from iPhone 17 series with USB-C, MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy S25/S24/S23 to laptops like Dell XPS and handhelds like the Switch, featuring robust 100-watt power delivery and a handy 6.6-foot length that adds flexibility in real-life use. Its key features include solid build quality with durable connectors and thick shielding that feels premium in the hand, reliable high-wattage performance for fast-charging larger devices, and plug-and-play simplicity that works without fuss. Compared to many generic USB-C cables, UGREEN set delivers better materials, consistent power delivery, and longer length for the price, though some premium brands like Anker may offer slightly higher braided durability or a wider ecosystem of certified accessories. Overall, this cable duo offers excellent value for money for users who want versatile, high-wattage charging and data support across multiple devices, making it a practical choice I'd recommend for both everyday and travel use. Next up is LISEN 90-watt USB-C car charger. The LISEN 90-watt USB-C car charger with two built-in cables, Lightning and USB-C, is designed to fast charge both iPhone and Android devices on the go, offering up to 90-watt power delivery that easily handles phones like the iPhone 17 series and Samsung Galaxy S26/S25, while also having enough juice for tablets or smaller laptops. Its key features include the dual-port design with integrated cables that reduce clutter, solid build quality with a compact plug that fits most car sockets, and simple plug-in use that makes roadside charging hassle-free in everyday driving scenarios. In real-life use, it delivers reliable, fast charging without frequent disconnections, and its all-in-one cable setup gives it a practical edge over separate car chargers and loose cables, though competitors like Anker or Belkin may offer slightly more refined heat management or certification standards at a higher price. Overall, its performance, convenience, and strong value for money make this a good choice for frequent drivers and multi-device users, and I'd recommend it to anyone who wants a dependable and tidy car charging solution without paying a premium. Next up is Lamicall for MagSafe Car Mount Charger. The Lamicall MagSafe Car Mount Charger is designed to securely hold and wirelessly charge MagSafe-compatible iPhones up to 15 watts while driving, combining a strong magnetic hold with a 360-degree rotation feature that makes viewing and adjusting easy whether mounted on a vent or dashboard. Its key features include solid build quality, reliable magnetic alignment that snaps your phone into place quickly, and straightforward installation that stays put on bumps and turns in real-life driving conditions. Compared with some competitors like Belkin's MagSafe car chargers, Lamicall often comes at a more affordable price while still delivering stable charging and a flexible viewing angle, though premium alternatives may offer slightly better integration with vehicle power systems or extra accessories. Overall, it's a practical, value-focused choice for iPhone users who want hands-free navigation and consistent wireless charging on the road, and I'd recommend it to everyday drivers who value convenience without paying top-tier prices. Next up is JOYROOM Motorcycle Bike Phone Holder Mount. The JOYROOM Motorcycle Bike Phone Holder Mount is built to securely clamp 4.7 to 7-inch smartphones onto handlebars without blocking the camera, featuring a silicone-wrapped grip that protects your device from scratches and vibration while riding. In everyday use, it holds phones firmly even on bumpy roads, is easy to install with adjustable brackets, and gives clear access to screens and buttons without interfering with navigation or action shots. Compared with some basic handlebar mounts, its thoughtful silicone padding and camera-friendly design add usable protection and convenience, though premium brands may offer smoother adjustability or more rugged materials at a higher cost. Overall, this offer delivers solid build quality, reliable performance, and excellent value for money for casual riders and commuters alike, and I'd recommend it to anyone who wants a dependable phone mount for bikes or scooters without spending extra on high-end options. Next up is Anker Portable Charger, 10,000 mAh, 30 watts power bank. The Anker 10,000 mAh 30 watts portable charger is designed to keep phones, tablets, and other USB-C devices powered on the go, offering solid 30 watts fast charging that tops up devices quickly without bulky size. Its key features include reliable USB-C in/out fast charging, dependable battery performance, high-quality build, and straightforward one-button operation that makes it easy to use in travel or daily life. In real-world use, it delivers enough juice for about one full charge on most modern smartphones and outperforms many generic power banks in consistency and safety features, though higher capacity competitors like 20,000 mAh banks offer longer run times at the cost of extra weight. Overall, its compact design, trusted performance, and good value for money make this a practical choice for commuters, travelers, and everyday users who need dependable backup power. And I'd recommend it to anyone who wants a balance of portability and fast charging without overspending. Next up is JAME for S26 Ultra case ring holder. The JAME case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra combines dual-layer shockproof protection with a built-in ring holder and kickstand, plus an included screen protector, giving all-around defense and hands-free convenience in one package. Key features like its rugged build, textured grip, and magnetic accessory friendliness make it easy to use day-to-day, and in real-life scenarios, it absorbs typical drops and bumps while offering a stable stand for watching videos or video calls. Compared with slimmer competitors like Spigen's rugged armor, the JAME case is bulkier but delivers stronger drop protection and added utility with its ring kickstand, though those seeking minimal thickness might prefer lighter options. Overall, this case offers solid quality, practical design, and good value for money for users who want tough protection plus additional functionality. And I'd recommend it to everyday S26 Ultra owners who appreciate extra grip and versatility over ultra-slim style. Next up is TOCOL for S26 Ultra case, built-in magnetic ring. The TOCOL Galaxy S26 Ultra case with a built-in magnetic ring is designed to offer everyday drop protection while giving you a secure grip and easy one-handed handling. And its translucent matte finish lets the phone's design show through without looking cheap. Key features like the integrated magnetic ring, responsive button covers, and shock-absorbing edges make it simple to use in real life, and it performs well against daily bumps and slips, though it won't match heavy-duty rugged cases in extreme impact resistance. Compared with competitors like Spigen's magnetic-compatible cases, TOCOL holds its own in grip and design appeal, but is a bit softer around corners, trading off some reinforced structure for a sleeker feel. Overall, this case strikes a nice balance of quality, functionality, and value for money for everyday users who want a magnetic grip and modest protection. And I'd recommend it to Galaxy S26 Ultra owners who prioritize comfort and style over maximum ruggedism. Last one in the list is Oterkin Magnetic for S26 Ultra Case Mat. The Oterkin magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is built to provide everyday protection with military-grade shock resistance while maintaining a slim, matte-frosted translucent look that shows off the phone's design and supports MagSafe-style accessories. Its key features, which include a snug fit, responsive button covers, and a magnetic ring for secure wireless charging alignment, make it easy and comfortable to use, and in real-life scenarios, it resists scratches and light drops without adding bulk. Compared with rivals like Spigen's MagSafe-compatible cases, Oterkin delivers similar protective performance and magnetic functionality at a typically lower price point, though premium brands may offer slightly more refined corner reinforcement or accessory ecosystems. Overall, this case offers solid build quality, reliable daily protection, and good value for money for users who want a balance of style and function. And I'd recommend it to Galaxy S26 Ultra owners looking for dependable, slim protection with magnetic accessory support. That's it for the must-have, affordable S26 Ultra accessories. Links are in the description if you want to check them out. Subscribe for more smart tech picks that give you premium performance on a budget.